Hello everybody, so today we're going to learn how to install YouTube on your desktop. Yes, you can install it, but from the web. I'm going to show you how can you do it in Microsoft Edge and in Google Chrome. So, let's start with Google Chrome. First, go to your favorite website that you want to install. I'm going to install today YouTube. And then normally in YouTube, you'll find this install button here, and then you can click on install. In some websites, you can't see it. To install it, just click here, the more tools. What is it? Unfortunately, you can only do this in the old Google Chrome, not Google Chrome 2024. I wish I could do it. You can just go to more tools, and then we're gonna find an option called create shortcut, and then here you will see a dialog, and then name it, select open and window. Let's click on install. So here, let's click on install button, click on install, then wait. It's gonna install YouTube. And here you have successfully installed YouTube from Google Chrome. So next, let's learn how to install an web app from Microsoft. So first, open Microsoft Edge and then go to favorite website. And then here, sometimes you'll find here install this app. This website as an app. Here, you can click on apps right here. Then you can click on install to install this app. Thank you everybody for watching this video. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. So, see you again.